Welcome to the channel and thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use the autonomous parking feature in the 2020 and 2019 X5s. Now the feature is called the Parking Assistant package, and basically it is helping you either parallel or perpendicular park in between two vehicles. So this feature is not going to work if it's just an empty spot, and it works best when the space is open in between two objects or two vehicles, like that spot right there. So in order to utilize this feature, you need to find the spot first, like I said, preferably between two objects or two vehicles. The next thing you need to do is you need to click the PDC button, Park Distance Control button, and it'll pull up that screen. Sorry for the flicker, but you'll see that little P. That means it's scanning the left and the right side, and you'll see that autonomous parking is checked off. So now the next thing you need to do is put the car into drive, make sure you're buckled, and all you have to do is slowly drive by the spot. You want to make sure you're close to the side that you want to go on. So obviously in this case, it's on the right side. And you want to just drive by, make sure the car is picking up the spots on the sides. And as you drive by the cars, you'll see it's picked up a spot right there, and it says select parking space and start parking. So what you need to do is you need to click it. And it says to start parking, take hands off steering wheel and release brake. So you literally take your hands off and you take your brake, take your foot off the brake, and the car will do everything by itself. Now, it's gonna get close, but it's gonna stop by itself. We recommend keeping your feet over the brakes just for peace of mind and just in case if anything happens. But it gets also really close to the front as well. But again, there's parking sensors that'll keep the car from hitting the wall. And as you can see, everything is done by itself, and the car is trying to straighten itself out the best that it can in between these two cars. And the system is smart enough to put the car into park, engage your parking brake, and yeah, it completes the whole parking process by itself. And there you go. If you have any questions about anything about BMWs, please do not hesitate to comment below. I'll be happy to make videos for you on how to operate some of these vehicles, since I play around with them every day. But comment below. If you like the video, if you like car content, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.